Hey, I've got this incredible waterfall edge table. I cannot wait to show you how I built it. Check it out. Woo! Hey, it's time to mix the epoxy for the waterfall table. Check it out. Woo! Hey, it's time to take this beautiful piece off the pour table onto the router sled and get it plain flat. Check it out. Woo! Hey, I've got the waterfall edge table ready to cut down to size and then time to rough sand it. Check it out. Woo! Hey, I've got this panel. It's ready to go to slice and turn into a waterfall table. Check it out. Woo! beautiful table that I'm going to clean off with mineral spirits and seal it with my favorite sealing product, Rustic Lumber Finished Furniture Oil, and I can never say it right, but it's an amazing product. You should use it if you haven't already. Check this out. Tight mitered seam. Ooh. And the signature tree leg base. Yeah. Oh, we've got these pond looking doohickeys. So it's a river and a pond desk. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm not exactly sure what to call this thing. It kind of looks like a smiley face, but it isn't. Maybe it's winking at us. Woohoo!